Mr. Rogers, how to speak Freddish. State the idea you wish to express as clearly as possible and in terms preschoolers can understand. For example, it is dangerous to play in the street. Rephrase in a positive manner. For example, it is good to play where it is safe. Rephrase the idea, bearing in mind that preschoolers cannot yet make subtle distinctions and need to be redirected to authorities they trust. For example, ask your parents where it is safe to play. Rephrase your idea to eliminate all elements that could be considered prescriptive, directive, or instructive. For example, that would mean getting rid of ask. Your parents will tell you where it is safe to play. Rephrase any element that suggests certainty. That would be will. For example, your parents can tell you where it is safe to play. Rephrase your idea to eliminate any element that may not apply to all children. Not all children know their parents. For example, your favorite grown-ups can tell you where it is safe to play. Add a simple motivational idea that gives preschoolers a reason to follow your advice. For example, your favorite grown-ups can tell you where it is safe to play. It is good to listen to them. Rephrase your new statement without value judgments. Good represents a value judgment. For example, your favorite grown-ups can tell you where it is safe to play. It is important to try to listen to them. Rephrase your idea a final time, relating it to some phase of development a preschooler can understand. For example, your favorite grown-ups can tell you where it is safe to play. It is important to try to listen to them, and listening is an important part of growing up. If you're looking for more information from myself, you can go to teamteacherchina.com. We've got a whole bunch of materials, PowerPoints that you can use instantly in the classroom. We've got a Team Teacher China YouTube channel where we have videos teaching you how to use those materials. Team Teacher English, where we put those materials into a video form for self-study. And Team Teacher Baby, where I take my experience as a teacher and put that into parenting.
And go to YouTube with Professor Rich to see some English teaching. You can catch me weekly live streams on Oxford Online English YouTube channel. Oh, and also you can do a YouTube search for POG Space UK and you would get my alpha version of my new gaming channel, which actually just has some trial content on there at the moment. You can email us here at eltundercovers@gmail.com if you have anything you'd like to contribute to the show.
Smash that like button, share and subscribe.
And watch 100% of the video and don't click off. Thank you.
Bye.